Court system, like everything else, is changing how things are done. Many judges, lawyers, and staff are now working from home.
KMAC's Kelsey Pittman shows us tonight how they're handling important cases and keeping the system going.
Emergency court cases that need to be heard during this COVID-19 pandemic are being done a little different. They're using technology like this company, Zoom, instead of a courtroom.
We've still been operating. We're conducting all of our probate cases either by telephone or by this technology we have here with Zoom or with Microsoft Teams.
The judge determines how it's handled. Attorneys are noticing some of their cases are getting pushed back.
Now we're getting these cases moved to an indefinite date. We don't know when they'll be, or they're in the summer, or they're next month. A lot of mine were set for April, but now we're seeing that those are probably going to be pushed again.
The process is working, but definitely not ideal.
Really hard to try a case telephonically, entering exhibits into evidence, and really getting to cross-examine a witness over the phone is obviously much more difficult than in person.
Also coming up with other ideas like virtual mediation to keep from getting backlogged.
Being able to continue doing mediations right now will help these people get a resolution in their case. All you have to do after that is get the court order signed, but the mediation can be binding and in effect at the time it's signed.
These aren't the only changes. While Texas is under a state of emergency, if you were convicted of committing a felony during this time, your punishment can be increased. For example, if you're convicted of criminal trespassing, normally a Class B misdemeanor.
And that would be raised to a Class A, which could carry a sentence of up to a year in incarceration. So in that instance, the maximum punishment doubles. And the fine on a Class B would be up to $2,000, but on that Class A could be doubled to $4,000.
As social distancing continues, when it comes to CPS cases, those rules and guidelines stay the same. You are still in charge of taking your kid to and from where they're supposed to be according to your custody agreement, even if the city is on stay-at-home orders. Reporting in Lubbock, Kelsey Pittman, KMAC News.